Hello everybody. Thank you for Asta Learning Center for the chance given to me this moment. I will tell myself to you. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Romi. You can call me Romi. I come from Maluku province. I was born in the Timur College on 19 December 2000. Now, I am 20 years old. I have one brother and I am 6 years old of my family. My hobby is badminton. I was graduated of SMA Kuliah Solara. After I graduated high school, I have teaching in one of the school and become a teacher almost half year at the school. My reason why I chose Asta Learning Center because according to me, Asta Learning Center is one of the best aviation academy in Indonesia. And Asta Learning Center as a job training institution that is able to provide human resources that are silent, competent, and superior to other job training institutions. I hope I lecture of Asta Learning Center, I can find my future, and I can make my father and my mother and my family can proud to me. So today I will say to you, my sister and my brother in Maluku province, if you want to find your future, you have to join with us in Asta Learning Center to find your future. Thank you.